Okay, so this is literally the same thing. I just got filled on this order and I'm curious to see how it worked for me. So on the previous one, I just mentioned that like, okay, I'm learning about ranges. I'm learning about, like is like the prospects of it. I'm just currently into this trade. Let me take this out. Usually, it's funny enough, I would get stopped out going for a sell right here. I recognize this, and honestly, I wish that it's too late, but I wish that I put the zone like right here. I feel like it's too, like, I base it off of the 10-minute, but I'm not gonna lie, like, I'm pretty nervous about this trade. Like, I feel like it's gonna stop me out to then go into my direction because I'm so far in as far as drawdown goes, so far. Um, I'm looking at it, so yeah. So wait, I don't wanna. Yeah, this looks like it's about to stop me out. I'm so sad. Like this is my true emotions. Like I don't like losing. But yeah, maybe a better area with the stop loss. I was just basing it off of the 10-minute, looking at like, okay, this is an area where price is rejected from several times. I just totally forgot about the Trump thing that I literally looked up the like literally. Oh my god. All right. Usually when they come back, if this is such a strong candle, usually I'm about to get stopped out. I don't like it. Oh, these are my real emotions. These are my real emotions. I don't like to lose. And when I lose, like it makes me feel like I'm dumb, you know? And it's just not right. Um that's how I make, because it's like I'm a person that always wants to be right. So when things aren't going my way, I'm like, no, I'm not the type of person to be like, you're wrong. But it's just like, it's more like, make me right. Like, turn around and like bust a right and like do a Yui, like do some crazy shit that's like, wait, pause, skirt. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get stopped out here. Like I'm 90% sure that I'm gonna get stopped out. And on top of that, we have that Trump talk. So it's yeah, like was not a good idea. So let's assume that rather than doing what I did the right position, which would have been here, getting it over here, stop loss. Yeah, about to get stopped out. Stop loss here, and this is the TP. Let's say if I did it like this rather than what I did, which I realize now was in the middle of the move. Here we go.
Stop field.
Ah, fuck. So that was my first losing trade. Oh my god, of the day. I'm taking multiple trades, by the way. So let's just say I was like, you know what? I don't think that's right. Let's take that zone off, and I'm gonna do it like right here, where price was, and then it came down, and price is rejected off of this point several times. So I feel like this would have been the better trade for me to take, and I'm glad that this is recorded because now I know. As you can see, like we have a much better reaction to this zone compared to the reaction that I had. I mean, I had some. No, 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 that's cap. I didn't have any good reaction. Oh, sorry, I had this little bit of a movement, but nothing like this. Like you see how price went down, a strong bullish candle, and now you see the candle that formed. Bro, this is gonna hit TP, bro. I feel so confident about this setup. Way more confident about this setup than the other one. Um, but let's just see. Let's see it out. Like I feel like this is gonna hit TP. Like I'm like 80% sure that this is gonna hit TP. But anything can happen. So, yeah. How long has this been going for? So I'm just gonna wait. And yeah, it looks like maybe on this candle, we have less than 20 seconds, like almost 10 seconds left on this candle. Like I feel very confident about this setup. Like it's coming back. You know what? Let me play devil's advocate.
Order filled.
I order filled it. I order filled it. I got back into the setup. I could be extremely wrong. Like, watch, be extremely wrong. Maybe I'm chasing a trade. Oh, shit. I like picked myself up and then I got fucked up. Ooh. Now, okay, this is like me being greedy. Now look at this. Now it's like, damn, did I make the right decision? Am I going too fast? Okay, this looks horrible. This looks horrible. This probably means that um what are you thinking? This probably means that this is the breakout to go up potentially because there's only some certain amounts of times where the range is gonna be ranging, right? Eventually this range will end and then it will like give you like a breakout to go onto the other side. So I don't even know where my stop loss is. I got in, I entered 1850. 1850. That's where I entered at. So this is the move right here. So we got less than 30 seconds left on this candle. Oh shit.
Order filled.
Oh shit. See, I felt very confident about this setup. That's crazy. That's crazy. So I'm so happy. Now we fucking know. Now we fucking know. From now on, bro, just stick to the fucking plan, bro. Trade the edges. Don't try to trade within the zone, bro. And I know it sounds so simple, but like when you're here, you're like, "Oh, do it. Let's do it that way. Let's do it like that." This is a 10-minute wicked out area. Imagine if I went for a 1-to-1, which I felt like I could. Let's see what would happen if we held for a 1-to-1. Not entirely too sure, but we always have to see. I feel so happy, bro. Like literally I feel like a lot safe. Hold on, let me just get this fucking I feel a lot safer. Oh, look at that! Look at that! If I held it because it's a 10-minute area as well. Mmm. Let's go, bro. But yeah, no, I feel good, bro. I feel happy. Like you see how like I'm like all bouncy and like let's look at the stats. I'm probably like ooh, ooh. Wait, hold on. Oh, let me pause this real quick. Okay, I paused it just in case if I needed to sign in again, but I wanted to get the how do you what do you click on to get the sometimes. All right, let's go all the way back within the day. 4 trades, number of trades, because they was playing with me. They was playing with me. God damn, I lost. Oh wow, I didn't. I don't pay attention to this stuff. So I have a 75% win rate today. I took 4 trades. I won. I'm 3-1 for today, and the total P. What the fuck? The gross P&L should be $61. The trading commissions only have me up $10, dude. That's fucking poison. That's poison, bro. God damn, bro. Shit. But anyway, I'm so focused on the money, but I realized that that's not even the reason. I'm glad that I re-entered into the same trade. Because if that was the case, I would be $52, 52 times 3. I'd be up 156, and yeah. That's awesome. But I'm not focused on I'm not focused on the money. Okay. Good. I'm mainly focused on the performance. That's like the main thing. Like that trade that I took in here was unnecessary, and I recognize that now. And really just trading the edges, that's what it is, bro. Like where this one here, right? Like we saw this setup. it went as high as this, went as low as this. This right here, it went high, but it didn't break this high. So when I saw that and I saw that it was coming down, I was just like, all right, we're still within that range. I'm gonna take a sell setup on its coming down. For me personally, I was thinking this area because let me show you. I was looking, I feel so like, god damn it, kitty. But I was looking at the 10-minute. Let's back that shit up. I was looking at the 10-minute and I was like, okay, well, this is like a 10-minute zone and like price is here, even though price has all these wicks down here. Anyway. Oh, but let me go back to the 2-minute. So I had my move to be from here. So when it comes up, it come down. I got entered in this trade right here, and then we saw it together. It stopped me out, or it stopped me out somewhere. Yeah, because my stop loss was around here. And then took that in, and I was just like, you know what? Let me go back in. So I went back in on the proper setup, and in like 2 seconds, or how long? Literally, yeah, a minute and 29 seconds. And look at that. I mean, yeah, dude. And here's the thing. That's $52 in 2 minutes, bro. Imagine, bro. Okay, this is I'm too money oriented. It's actually crazy, but let's just think about it though. Okay, in 2 minutes you made 52. Now let's imagine how many what was it? 8 times 60. So 480. Oh, no, that is not right. Hold on. We're going to get this just to. How many minutes are in 8 hours? Yes. Is it? Oh, I was right. 480. Well, I felt like it should be like 1,000. Anyway, so 400. Let's just say divided by 2, because that's every 2 minutes. Now let's say $52, and yeah, let's just say $52, bro. At the end of the day, let's say this is completely unrealistic. That's 12,000 bands, bro. Because I was just thinking, like, if you can make $52 every 2 minutes, that's 12 bands in a day. I mean, of course, that's not how trading is, because the fees and commissions clearly will go crazy. I mean, I'm on micros, so that's an added thing, but god damn, bro. Like, I've only taken 4 trades. That's fucking crazy. Yeah, no, I think that's a bit ridiculous. But yeah, I mean, I'm happy. Like, you see, I'm cheesing, even though it's like, goddamn, the fees. But it's like, one day, this won't be anything. First of all, just add an extra zero to everything, or 2 zeros if you want it. So this is like 1,000. That's like 500. You know what I mean? It's like it looks bad, but it could be better. But it could be good. No, I'm happy, and I'm learning, and I'm glad that all this stuff is recorded. All right. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment anything that you want to. Yeah, I don't know if I'll be done for the day. I probably won't, because I see like a potential setup. This looks like a potential breakout, but we'll see. All right, take care.